Example 2. Mia's class collected data to answer several other questions about her class. After collecting the data, they drew dot plots of their findings. One student collected data to answer the question, how many textbooks are in the desks or lockers of 6th graders? She made the following dot plot, not including her data. Now, if we look at this, we're going to try to understand what does it mean. Well, one thing that we can tell from all of this is how many 6th graders are in this class. We can count up how many dots there are. So if we count them up, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Again, 22 6th graders. We can also see that since they're in the same grade, we would expect that most of the kids have about the same amount of books. And we can see that these 6th graders have between 5 and 8 books. Perhaps maybe some 6th graders take more classes than others. Maybe some 6th graders have reading books in their lockers or their desks. But we would expect them all to have approximately the same amount. And from this, we can see that since 6 has the highest stack, that most students have 6 books in their locker or their desks. Matter of fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 out of the 22 students have 6 books in their desk or locker. Now, another student in Mia's class wanted to ask the question, how tall are the 6th graders in our class? This dot plot shows the heights of 6th graders in Mia's class, not including the datum for the student conducting the survey. Now, since we're measuring height here, we're getting height of students, we would expect a lot more different answers or different heights. If we look at our own 6th grade class, there's a lot of different heights in there, so that we can see the data sort of spread out from like approximately 49 inches all the way up to about 66 inches. We can see that most of the students are clustered between that 55 and 60 range. So most students are in between there. We can also count how many students took part in this survey by just simply counting all the dots. And we can even see what is the largest amount of students in heights. This stack and this stack. So we might say 56 and 58 inches is the most common height for the students. What I would like you guys to do next is to go to the exercises 11 through 14. Read the directions. You're going to be using the dot plots down at the bottom of the page to answer questions 11 through 14. And when you're finished, check yourself on the answer key that's been provided.